Hey everybody, again with my grandfather's permission, this is a really old Eskimo box fan. And I'll turn on the lights here, show you guys some of the statistics. I'm not sure this looks like model 201370, in case you guys want some information. I don't know where this year is from, but it's a really old 3-bladed box fan. And I'll go ahead and turn it on to let you guys hear the sound. And there's 2 speeds. Here we go on high. This is low. And that's off. And the blades are spinning, or slowing down. I'm going to do one more, because this is a really cool fan, and you guys like startups. I'm going to start it up from here, like right near the motor. Go ahead and turn it on again on high. Here's low. And here's off. So it's a really, it's a pretty rare box fan nowadays. You don't see them like this. Lasco sells them in cheap white plastic fans that have 5 blades on, which I have at my house. This is at my grandfather's in Texas. Alright, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out, everybody.